You know what? All of my members keep asking me, can you do a day in the life of Jamie? Let me see how you wake up, how you do your trading, how you kind of live your day and everything like that. But you know what? Doing vlogs, I think it's called vlog, isn't it? Blog, vlog, video log. Yeah, video log, blog, whatever, right? It's a lot of effort, right? If I was selling an indicator or selling some kind of course, yes, it makes sense, right? It's good for marketing. The day in the life of a trader. I can pick and choose what supercar I'm driving today. But you know what? It's a lot of effort and I really can't be bothered. I'd rather just sit here and trade with you. But what I thought I'd do in today's video, which I thought would be interesting, is just show you how much profit I've made today, what have I done, and what is on my schedule today. You know what's funny is the other month, right, I bought an Aston Martin and all of my members asked me to film the entire process, like, because they were there with me when I obviously made the money, put the withdrawal request in. I showed all of my members the withdrawal request and they said, can you film you going into Aston Martin to buy the car? But I decided against it because, first of all, I don't like filming myself in situations like that. Like, I like to enjoy the moment, not film the moment, if that makes sense. You know what? Unless it's just me, but you lot might agree with me. I have the luxury of traveling to some beautiful places. And I go to these beautiful places and sometimes I sit there and I go, right, can everyone just put their phone down for a second and appreciate the view? Right? Do you know what I mean? We don't have to all constantly film everything and sit there with our phones out, which is ironic because my girlfriend says all I do is sit on my phone and trade. But, you know, it pays the bills. Anyway, right. So this is what I've done today, okay? So I've took some trades today. I'll show you on my phone. Okay, these are my trade. Well, that's my account balance, 104,000 now. Okay, if we go to history, that's my trades today. There, if we have a look at my trades for the week, okay, 17,000 for the week, okay, there we go, there's all the trades, okay, there, all the trades. If I go to custom, so I'm just going to customize it because today is Tuesday, so I want to show you my profits from today, from yesterday, which will be Monday, and today so far. It's the 29th today, so it's going to be the 29th to the 28th, okay, of October. So there we go, there, done. Okay, so I've made £1,500 for the week, okay? As you can see, those are all of the trades so far today for the week, okay? And I'm currently, at the minute, just waiting for London Open to appear. Literally, as you can see, all of my members are also waiting for London Open. Closed, I'm happy with that. That's a nice trade, nice higher high structure. Nice, again, another one here, US, typical Roy, big take profit. Still waiting for London Open, me too. Yeah, we're all waiting for London Open. It's just simply a case. Some trades there, beautiful. Just got, that's a loss. Euro USD. Let's have a look at Euro USD. Okay. Okay, I can tell you exactly why that trade lost, because there is no, I've got a funny feeling he took this trade just there, okay, where that little MACD is. There's no structure, okay, there's absolutely no structure here. Obviously, if you know me and you know the way I trade the Mogwai reversal, obviously it's a confirmation of a trade. Let me show you a setup that I would take, right, and then you can see the difference, right? Well, there's the trade that I took, but that's not a trade. Let me try and find you a good trade. Okay, here we go here, right? Here's a good trade, right? Just there, right? Look at the difference on this one. Here, where's my charts? So I can draw. Here we go, here, rectangle. Here, right? Look at the difference. Structure, okay, and structure there, right? So now look at this one, okay? Can you see, where's my chart so I can draw? Give me a sec here. Give me a sec. Unplanned. Okay, I'm back, right? But look at this, right? You see the low, lower high, lower low, lower high. See that? Two structure, downtrend, pullback, downtrend, pullback. See that? Right? That's a beautiful sell. Beautiful sell. Always win. I say always wins. I can't say that, but most of them win. Then you look at Euro USD and the trade that he took, right? I say he could be a female, right? Where's the structure? the structure is actually there, right? Just there. That is the previous low. So if I just mark it up, we have downtrend, pullback, downtrend. The pullback is there, right? Where, funny enough, this arrow appeared just there. But again, we wouldn't take that one because it's above the EMA. That's just no valid setup. So that one there, yeah, is not a good trade. Okay, obviously, you know, the problem is, and I try and say this to everyone, is when price is pulling up and pulling back like here, it's very difficult to confirm a pullback unless it comes to structure, right? So you always have to wait for structure. So that is it. We're literally just waiting for London Open. Hopefully I can take London Open on this video, and that will be my trading done for the day. While I'm sitting here and waiting for London Open, I'm also got my EAs running. So I just want to show you my EAs. I have 2 EAs running. The first one has already made today a... by the way, if you want to get hold of these EAs, because I always get asked about them, www.forexyields.com. I built 2 EAs from the Binary Destroyer. This is the C-bot. These are the profits today. It's already kind of doubled the account. If I have a look at the analytics of this account, as you can see here, 87% win ratio. It's already doubled the account. Yeah, that's it there. Okay, these, by the way, this is the other one here. So as you can see, that account that you just seen is actually just there. C-bot DAX test. I'm also doing a test run on a prop firm challenge, which is currently there. These are all of my Mogwai test, 129%. So all of my EAs that I currently run are here. So that's basically it. That is my morning so far. It is 9:46. It's just simply waiting for London Open, which is about to happen because price is going to pull back. So I'm about to whip out my phone. Oh, hang on here. Hang on here. That gold, I don't know if you can see. Look at that. That tells me that my C-bot on a prop firm challenge has just took a trade and it's hit take profit. Look at that. Take profit has been hit. Obviously, I'm doing that on a prop firm. Well, it's a prop firm test run. So I'm currently testing some settings to see if it will pass a prop firm challenge. If it does, I will then run it on an actual prop firm challenge. Okay, so that's currently at the minute. I'm just sitting here waiting. I'm doing some emails. I'm currently uploading a YouTube video, which is, you would have already watched this. This is Tuesday's video. Today is Tuesday. You're watching this video on Thursday. That is it. Once this is done, I'll finish off doing some emails. I've got a one-on-one webinar booked with a member at 11 o'clock. Then at 12 o'clock, lunchtime, and then I've got to go to look at a property. I'm looking to buy a piece of land because land is good. You need to buy land at the minute because obviously land isn't going to get any bigger. You know, the population is going to get bigger, so more people are going to want more houses being built on land. So, you know, if you want to become wealthy, buy land. So that's what I do. That's why most of my money goes, is more into land, commercial stuff like that. Because once you own a piece of land, that is it. All you got to do is sit on that land, and then you'll get a phone call in about 3 years' time, and a developer wants to build some houses on your land, and you say, yep, nice, payday. And yeah, you can literally double your money on it. So, yeah, so at the minute, I'm just waiting for London Open. There we go there. London Open is about to happen. Hopefully it happens in the next few minutes because I don't really want to pause the video because then it makes my life harder because then I have to edit the paused bit, which is quite annoying. But I'm going to pause it. So I'm going to come straight back. Right, I'm back. London Open. Well, I say London Open. London Open has already opened, but this is London Open trade that we take. So essentially, we take the first arrow that appears after London Open on Euro USD. It doesn't matter where the arrow appears, buy, sell, sideways, with the trend, against the trend. Just an arrow appears, it's the first one, we take the trade, okay? Now, statistically, this is amazing. Does work majority of the time. I don't even know the statistics of this. It definitely works, put it that way. I mean, I would go as far as say maybe 80-ish, 85% win ratio. But again, it depends, right? I mean, it goes for a week 100% win. But then you could have some weeks where it's like struggle, right? Loss, loss, win, loss sort of thing, right? But, you know, it's one of them, right? If you're going to take an arrow, you got to be there every single day to take this trade, right? You can't skip days and stuff. You have to take every single arrow. And also, it does involve as well some common sense. So if it's with the trend, because sometimes, right, you'll get a setup like, I'll try and find you a trade, like here, right? Sometimes this could be classed as, this is London Open. This is London Open yesterday. Look, hold on. Yeah, right. You could argue technically that there, let's just say that's London Open, right? That there, because that's with the trend, you can get more pips out of it. Do you know what I mean? So you could go for 1 to 2. When you've got London Open, which is just here, obviously that one is against the trend, right? So, you know, you want to be in and out on that one. So it's kind of just common sense a bit. Okay, what I'll do is let me just bring up my chart so I can show you the trade. Give me a sec here. When my charts load, I'm about to get a setup here. Bang. And there we go. There. Everybody's talking about my EAs. Give me a sec here. Trade. Everybody's talking about my EAs, which is just what's everyone going about? I'm running CBOT with a grid of 6,000 and one of the turbo mode, but I will send you later in a PM. Okay. Oh, had a very slow down tracks. Nice, right? Nice. Right, anyway, back to this trade here. Right, so there you go there. London Open is about to appear. We're going to be waiting for our arrow. You know what I might do is I normally, on this occasion, is I'll fire off a trade. Hold on. Euro USD. Is I'll fire off a trade just at 2 lots, just to... Because I think we're definitely going to get an arrow in the next... we're definitely going to get an arrow in the next 1 minute, right? You can see the MACD is going oversold. Obviously, I don't want to confirm anything until we get the arrow, but I just like, for my own peace and quiet, I like to see if I can guess just when an arrow is about to appear. If you look on my charts, I need to actually charge my iPhone. My battery is about to go dead, which is not good. Let me take the trade. Well, I'm in the trade. Everyone's talking about London Open now. Look, here we go here. What's this one? That's a beautiful buy. USD Chef. That is a beautiful buy. Nice confirmation. London Open happening. Okay, you ready? Right. Okay. Where's my... Now, you're probably going to sit there and wonder what happens if you get that. So, this arrow is about to appear. I'm looking at the MACD. That MACD is just about to pop an arrow for London Open. If it goes slightly lower, I'm not really that fussed at the minute. I'm just waiting for this arrow to appear. And it should appear very, very soon. Anybody in London Open? What is the time? Okay, so we should, any minute now, get a London Open appear. Oh, hold on. Here we go here. As soon as that London Open arrow appears, I'm going to be firing off another trade. 8 lots. 10 lots on London Open. Welcome to my world. Right. Waiting. Here we go. Bang. There is that signal. I'm just going to wait though, because you have to wait for this minute to close for the arrow to be confirmed. You get the alert, etc. Blah, 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 blah. But my phone is set at 8 lots. Okay. So I'm just going to sit and watch this. We've got 40 seconds to go. In 3, 2, 1. Here we go here. I'm going to be entering this trade in 20 seconds to go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Bang. In the trade. 8 lots in, and we are rocking and rolling. So again, now I'm going to set my levels. Okay, nice. Again, I'm going to manually watch this. We should be in profit. Nice. I'm getting hammered with spreads at the minute. And that is it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sit and watch this. Normally I have a 10 pip stop loss on this one, and I normally have a 10 pip take profit, but I'm going to watch it because if you actually look at my profits today, and again, this, I want you to take, like with London Open or any strategy in general, trading is also a lot with managing the profit once you've made them, right? So obviously you can't just keep trade. Let's say you're having a bad day, right? You've got loss and loss. There has to be a point on which you walk away for the day. And it's the same with profit, right? You can't just keep taking trade after trade after trade. You have to have structure with your trading. When you jump on the charts, you need to know exactly what you're looking for, right? And exactly when you're going to enter a trade. And you also need to have targets, right? You know, I want to make this amount of money. If I lose this amount of money, I've got to walk away from the day, because if you carry on trading, you're more likely to trade with emotion. You start chasing trades, you get frustrated. So if you actually look at my trades for today, right? I banked nearly, that's the week. Okay. Well, 17 grand for the week, 515 quid. So there you go there. So I'll probably make maybe around 200 quid on this trade, and that'll be me done. I'll be happy with that one. As you can see, I'm already going up in profit. Watch what I do on here. Someone's pinging at me, right? Watch what I do here. So as you can see here, as the trade goes up now, my first target is going to be roughly around the 5 pip mark. So 5 pips is around just there. Okay. Like I said, don't look at the stop loss and take profit. I haven't set a stop loss and take profit, as you can see. I like to manually watch this because this is how I trade, right? You want a day in the life of me. This is me, right? I'm trading with the members. I'm just curious. All the members would have taken it. I was in and out on London Open. Nice. Here we go here, right? So at the minute we're going up. There we go there. Beautiful, 111 quid. What I would normally do on this occasion, right? I'm just going to sit and watch it. Okay. There we go. Nice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to close off the 47 quid. Done. I'm going to bank that now. Okay. Now, why did I do that? Because that trade there that I took, you know, the one at 2 lots, was pre-London Open. It was like 1 minute before the actual arrow appeared. So I like to kind of just make the profit, close out, done, right? So this is the trade that we're going to be in. Hopefully we should hit the... we should hit it, hopefully. What I also like to do as price pushes up. You know, what's also interesting as well is, look, a lot of people are in this as well, which is nice. What I'm going to do... Oh, here we go. Here we're pushing up. We're pushing up. Nice, nice, nice. Look how much spread I'm paying. Look at the commission I'm paying here. Look. 150 quid, but I've made £100 net. 50 quid at 10 lots. Whew. Unbelievable. Right. So we should be able to hit 5 pips on this one there. Okay. And that will be London Open. Now, obviously, like I said, normally, okay, I would be going for a 10 pip take profit on this one. Okay. But because it's against the trend, right? This is below the EMA. So roughly, I don't really want to be in this kind of trade. You know, it's essentially, if you look at the actual trade here, right? You see how, yes, you could argue it's with the trend, but it's actually below the EMA, which kind of maybe it's going to come down, which is not good. It's what I don't want to see. So, yeah, as you can see here, what I might actually do, watch what I do now, is I'm going to close off partial. So I'm going to close off 6 lots, okay, done. So as you can see, I banked now £671 for the day. And then what I'll do is I'll just manage this trade now, okay? I'm just going to sit and watch it. You can see how, as price is going up, somebody says I'm already out of it. I'm still in, but taking profit. Yeah, see, a lot of people are in this trade as well. Let's go. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. So I'm just going to sit and watch the trade now. Okay. And this is where I'll manually watch the trade, just to see what happens. We should get 5 pips out of it, and that will be done. I'm just curious on the time, because this video has been going on for 20 minutes, and, you know, we're going to see what happens. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video. I'm going to come straight back. Okay, I'm back. So I actually closed this trade off at break even. So I just want to show you transparency. Hold on, I've got to log back into my phone. But this is interesting, right? Because like I said, this trade was against the trend. So this is why it had to heavily be managed. You know, like I said, it's not good, obviously. Give me a sec here. Right. Okay. Need to charge my phone. Right. So there's my profits, right? As you can see, I closed the last trade off. I've got no open trades there. But going back to this setup here, this is interesting, right? Because this is how it works perfectly with the Mogwai reversal strategy. So this one was a little bit, you know, it was always not going to be the best setup, but obviously with London Open, you have to take every setup sort of thing, because then it wouldn't be London Open. Because we're in a downtrend now, what we can possibly do is this here: downtrend, pullback, and then as the MACD starts to, the AMA comes over here, this would actually be a perfect Mogwai reversal setup with the trend. So you can actually see we've made a bit of profit on London Open, and then now once price comes down, we can actually wait for the pullback now, and then we would get a Mogwai reversal with the trend, if that makes sense. So you can see literally every single day around London Open, you're always guaranteed roughly around 2 trades. Either London Open, which is going to be with the trend, or against the trend like this one here, but then you would get a setup with the trend, which would be a Mogwai reversal. So I'm going to save that for another video, because you know what? I'm actually out of breath. I had to run upstairs to take this trade. So this is the trade after London Open. So let me take this trade. So just kind of show you, we had London Open, which you see me take, and then obviously an hour later, hold on, let me take this trade. We're going for sell at, let's go in for 10 lots. Done. 10 lots in. A lot of people say, what's going on here? I just got to play catch up of what's going on in the group. 1% on London Open. Gutted I missed gold. Would have been a good sell. I managed to win 6 trades today, no losses, but I had to push my SL a bit higher for one of the trades. Okay, right. So there you go there. Voila. Let me live stream my chart so you can actually see. Show you transparency. It's magic, isn't it? How I knew the arrow was going to appear before it actually appeared. Right. Okay. So, where am I? Okay, live stream. Here we go. Right. It's coming on any minute now, and this is going to hopefully, let me have a look at my trades history. Yeah, should hopefully take me to, I should hopefully make about 300-400 quid on this trade. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this like this there, set my stop loss and take profit. Stop loss is going to be above the high. Again, I'm just going to monitor it because obviously I'm filming this, so I'm literally going to be sitting here. The take profit's got to be this is going to be difficult on this one, is because normally I put my take profit, I'd normally put my stop loss above the high, right? Which on this one would be 10 pips, okay? But my take profit would obviously have to be 10 pips down there. And if you know me, I like to at least take partials at the bottom of this zone here. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to like put this visually here, but I'm not actually going to, I'm not, hold on, my phone's, there we go, done, right. So nice. So like I said, what I'll do is I'll visually take partials here. Watch the trade. It's going down into profit, which is nice. Look at the spread that I have to pay on 10 lots. I mean, it's ridiculous, isn't it? It's almost £50. Okay, so again, we're just going to sit and watch this. Obviously, London Open was this one at the top there. We got a few partials on that one there, which is great. A lot of members said they won this trade. Some of them said they got stopped out on it. You know, it is what it is. Unfortunately, it was the start of a downtrend. And obviously, this one is the nice sell with the trend here. But I actually, I'm not even joking you, in 15 minutes, I've got to go walk my dog. So I want to kind of get in and out of this trade. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to, oh, I'm going to, my phone's gone dead. Nice. I wonder if anyone else took this trade. I wonder if anyone else, no one else took this trade. Okay, just me. Just me. Right. So what I'm going to do is, again, I'm just going to probably set this just to here. Like I said, right? This is where I'd first take partials at the bottom of the zone there, okay? But it's just a case of just sitting and waiting to see what happens.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda. Y más allá. A través de la gran oscuridad hasta que me convierta en rayos. Y más allá.
Right, I'm back. Sorry, I was literally editing my YouTube video. Look, I turn a losing day into a profit day. That's Tuesday's YouTube video. Right, I'm very close to this level just there. You see there. That's it. That's it. Got to take partials here. I think everybody's saying, oh, right. Hold on. Give me a sec here. Right, we are good. Right, okay. So bang, to what I'll do here is, again, watch me do this. Charts, close. I'm going to close off 8 lots on that one. Bang, 252 quid. So as you can see, £862 for the day so far. And then this trade here will do what it wants to do. Like I said, what I normally do on this situation here is, once I've took profit around this level, is like I'll just move my stop loss down, whatever. Like for me right now, this is a risk-free trade. It doesn't matter. You know, I'll put my stop loss here. Even if I lose maybe 30 quid on this trade, it doesn't matter. Overrules in profit. And that's it. I'll just sit and watch it. Okay, if I end up getting stopped out, I'll probably put my stop loss around there. And that is it. I could just have some fun now. I'm actually literally going to head out because my front door is about to go because my dog walker is about to turn up. So I'm going to disappear. I might come back. I might not. Who knows? Right. So I'm back from my walk. As you can see, 24 minutes later. I'm just going to... I would normally, like I said, hold this trade all the way down to take profit. But I'm just going to close off the remainder of my partial because I've got to nip out for lunch now. And I don't want to leave my computer on while I do this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to screen mirror in here. Beautiful sell. Nice trade. Can't argue with that one. When it loads. There we go there. So there you go. I'm going to close it off. Done. And those are my profits for the day. Almost £1,000. Can't argue with that one. Yeah, nice trade. You have literally got to be joking right now. So I just closed this trade off 10 seconds ago. And then this happens. Every time. Oh my God, how frustrating, eh? How frustrating. Literally, if I just jumped on this computer 5 seconds later, I would have caught this. But yeah, beautiful take profit. How frustrating. Again, I will see you in another video. Thank you for watching.